Hey everyone, welcome to IntelliCon, our solution prototype for the intelligent conversational AI for KSP Crime Database as a part of Datathon 2026. Before I get into the nitpicks of the problem statement as well as our technicalities, let me just log in. And this is IntelliCon, welcome. And the main problem that we're trying to solve as a part of the Challenge 1 of Datathon is that the State Crime Records Bureau manages and handles a large amount of data from police stations across Karnataka. So their static database is quite limited to the operations and the results that it can fetch for you. One wrong query or one wrong partial match can ultimately say it's not a match at all, when in reality there might be some connection that you might be missing on. That's why we took an agentic approach. So we're basically working with LangGraph as an agent orchestrator who has access to different tools, skills, which can not only help you retrieve data from the database, for which we're using Postgres, by the way, Postgres SQL, but also this agent can help you analyze data, make more sense of it, help you make predictions, help you analyze what has happened, what might happen. So the interface, you can actually change between languages. You have voice enabled input here. There's our conversational AI, the highlight feature, the agent, which uses an LLM, which can be of your choice. You can use any LLM provider you want. You can just go to their website and paste their API key right here. So once you're done with the conversational AI, this is your crime network visualization. These are your entities from the database with their relationships, and we are just basically using Neo4j to convert it into a graph database and draw relationships between them. These are our geospatial insights, basically the crime trend and hotspot detection, the exact larger view of what you had seen in the dashboard. This is the system setting. I've already been here once. So this is basically all. This also shows you if all the services are running or not. And then finally, there's the user management. It just shows you the people who have currently logged into the system. And that's it. The front end is actually built using React and Vite. And the backend is basically Fast API with Python. So the primary DB, Postgres SQL, GraphDB, Neo4j. We're using cache, Redis for our cache and sessions for the conversation history so that the agent knows what has actually happened. And then for visualization, we're just using D3.js, Leaflet, and Plotty. And that's it. We hope we get to work on IntelliCon further in Datathon 2026. We hope we can build it for the police so that they can help the society in a more efficient and a faster, accurate way. Thank you so much.